Making apple pies just got that much easier. Here's my super simple apple pie recipe. Begin by taking 6 baking apples, peeling them, removing the core, and then slicing into small cubes. A rough chop will work, you don't need any fancy dicing skills here. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the recipe so far. Throw these into a large bowl with the zest and juice of 1 lemon. With your fingers, toss these all together, making sure every bit of those apples are coated. This is going to stop the apples from browning, but also give it a beautiful citrusy flavor. Into a pan, melt down 75 grams of unsalted butter, then go in with your sliced apples. Add 200 grams of sugar, then follow through with 2 heaped teaspoons of cinnamon and grate some fresh nutmeg in there too. Mix those together, then cook on a medium to high heat for around 5 minutes. We want the apples to still have a bite to it. Strain your apples, separating from the juice. Take those strained juices and throw them into the same pan. Thicken the sauce by adding some cornstarch we've mixed with water. Once thickened and you're happy with the consistency, mix the sauce back in with the apples. Line your ramekins with your store-bought puff pastry. If you want to learn how to make your own pie pastry, I've done a recipe on this and I'll link it below. This is just an easy shortcut for me when I don't have that much time. Trim the excess from your ramekin, then add your filling. Add more puff pastry to create a lattice on the top, then egg wash and sprinkle a little salt on the top for that extra bit of crispiness. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown on the top. Serve with any ice cream of your choosing and enjoy. Super simple apple pie. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.